Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Mahant and welcome back to my channel HomeoHeals. So every week I post video related to health, related to homeopathy. So if you want me to speak on any particular topic, do write down in the comment section. So let's begin with the today's video. So today we are going to talk about the cough which is seen so commonly this season and which is persistent for a longer period of time. So let's talk about what could be the probable cause of this cough which we see nowadays, what we can do at a home level, okay, to treat this cough or to prevent this cough. Also, I'm going to talk about certain homeopathic remedies which help us. So let's begin the video. So in clinic, there are so many patients, okay, kids, adults who are coming up with cough and which is persisting for weeks, okay. So the most two common causes which are presented of cough, one is post-viral cough. That means they had an episode of viral infection, that is fever, sore throat, okay, body pain, and which later on, okay, they presented with cough. And the fever, everything subsided, but the cough is persisting for weeks, okay. They have taken all sort of treatment, but the cough is not resolving. The second cause is allergic cough, okay. With the ongoing construction going on, especially in Mumbai, air quality, okay, index going poor, there are a lot of allergic triggers, okay, dust, all this which triggers this cough. So the second type of cough which we see in practice is allergic cough. Now it is very important to understand that both this presentation, they don't respond to antibiotic because it is allergic and post-viral. They do not respond to cough syrups. There are n number of parents who come that they have given so many cough syrups to their kids but they do not respond at all. So these are the two main common causes of rising cough which we see. So specifically on examination, when we examine this patients, the chest is clear, that means there is no wheezing, okay, there is nothing in the chest. The throat is also many times, okay, there is no congestion. In few patients you can see because of continuous coughing there could be certain redness. Otherwise on examination everything is normal, okay, but still majority of time what happens, there is a lot of irritation in the throat, okay, irritation in the throat which triggers this cough. So usually the patient is continuously clearing the throat, okay, and the bouts of cough are all of the sudden, means throughout the day the patient could be normal, and once the bout starts it continues for a longer period of time. Sometimes the patients complain that when they lie down, okay, there is more irritation in the throat, maybe the secretions come up in the throat and the cough increases. So lying down during the night time, this cough is more. So these are the common presentations which we observe in practice, and sometimes these patients are advised to take nebulization, to take inhalers to get some relief, and that is what the patients don't want and they come to homeopathy. So definitely homeopathy helps in this cough, and I've seen very fast results in kids as well as adults. Before going to homeopathy, there are few home remedies which we can try. As I said, it is because of irritation and rawness in the throat. You can take little bit of honey with turmeric, okay. You can take turmeric milk which can help. If you have a lot of upper respiratory tract symptoms, that along with this comes sometimes patients have a lot of stuffiness of nose. So steam inhalation is very good, okay. Steam inhalation can be taken twice a day. Sometimes nebulization only with plain water, distilled water, okay, it helps, it soothes your airway. So without any medication, just nebulization with normal water, distilled water also helps. In kids, okay, younger kids, it is very difficult to give steam, and we also don't advise because there is chances of, you know, burns and the kid can hurt themselves. So in kids, when, okay, there are too much of you have trouble, you can try nebulization with plain water, that can also help. So these are certain home remedies which you can try. You can give tulsi kadha also, alright, which can also help in certain cases. So these are few things which you can try at home. If you're going in too much of polluted area outside, wear a mask, because allergic cough can be triggered because of too much of dust and pollution. Talking about homeopathic remedies, as I said, it is a post-viral cough which could be presented with us. The presentation is usually aggravated when the patient lies down, okay, at night. There are certain group of remedies which I use in practice. So remedies like Drosera, okay, very good for dry cough, because majority of them are dry cough. Aggravated lying down, okay, as soon as the patient lies down and the head touches the pillow, the cough aggravates. When sometimes there is too much of irritation and the patient, coughs, and the expectoration or the cough comes out with very difficulty, Coccus cacti can be used. Remedies like Spongia. When the cough is aggravated because of draft of air, initially remedies like Aconite, then you have Rumex. Okay, sometimes I have also used for very bad cough persisting for days, also Pertussin, which is one of the homeopathic remedy, and there are many more remedies. Okay, sometimes at the end sulfur also helps. There are 1 or 2 mother tinctures which also helps, but all this should be taken only after consulting a homeopathic doctor, because there are many cough remedies. Depending on the symptoms, the doctor will advise which remedies to be used. So, one thing is gargling also helps. Okay, very effective is gargling with normal warm water. Gargles are very good. There's a homeopathic medicine echinacea. Sometimes I advise my patient to put few drops of echinacea, 4 to 5 drops in warm water and gargle. That also helps you to relieve the throat symptoms, the irritation in the throat. So this was a short video about what could be the cause of recurrent cough or persistent cough which is seen. And homeopathy definitely helps. I have treated so many patients who have been troubled for weeks with cough, okay, who have been relieved, and who come initially right from the right in the beginning with this presentation. The relief is much faster. Many patients are better in 2 to 3 days. Kids especially, okay, the results are much faster. So do try homeopathy for this persistent cough. As I said, because it is viral and allergic, there is no role of antibiotics, no role of cough syrups. So homeopathy definitely helps in these cases. So if you have any suggestion, do write down in the comment section. If homeopathy has helped you in such cases, also write down in the comment section. It is to create awareness about homeopathy in such cases, in such acute problems. All right, and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel, okay, and do not forget to hit the like button and the bell icon, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.